In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lusha. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from finding the right prospects to organizing outreach and enriching your data, all from the Lusha dashboard. Start by signing in and heading to your Lusha dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation. Click Search to open the prospecting workspace. This is where you'll spend most of your time discovering companies and contacts that match your ideal customer profile. At the top, use the search bar to type a company name, a job title, or a keyword. Then refine what you see with filters. Filters are your best friend in Lusha. Narrow by location, industry, company size, department, seniority, and more. A good habit is to apply a few broad filters first, check the volume and quality of results, and then tighten them as needed. This helps you balance quality with quantity and saves credits for the best fit leads. You can switch the results view between companies and contacts to focus on what you need in the moment. In the company's view, scan for details like headcount, revenue ranges, and tech stack indicators to qualify accounts before you go deeper. In the contacts view, look for titles, departments, and seniority that map to your buying committee. Open a profile to review the context before deciding whether to engage. Accuracy indicators and recent updates can help you prioritize the most reliable information. When you're ready to plan outreach, click Engage from the left navigation. Inside, open Conversations. This is where you organize multi-step sequences and keep your messaging consistent. Think of it as the bridge between your research and your first touch. Keep messages relevant to the filters you used earlier so your outreach feels personal and timely. For data you already have, hover over Enrich and choose CSV enrichment. Upload a simple CSV with columns like name, company, and domain, then map your columns to Lusha's fields. Preview the enrichment to confirm matches and make sure you're enriching only what you need. This is a fast way to complete missing fields at scale while staying in control of credits. If you're working with a CRM or automation tools, open API and connectors. Here you can connect systems to enrich records automatically, reduce manual work, and keep data synchronized. Work with your admin to align permissions and comply with your company's data policies. Finally, use all contacts and all companies to see everything you've gathered in one place. Review, organize, and keep your best prospects front and center. That's the core flow in Lusha: search, refine, engage, and enrich with confidence.